We're at Ralph's Cider Farm in New Radnor. We arrived late last night. I look like this because I feel...
Ralph moved to the old Badlands farm in 1986, where he planned to continue his decade-long journey of producing cider. In recent years, the farm has become one of the legendary locations for the Welsh leg of the VSCC Hill Trials, popular destination for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts alike. It hosts an exciting, muddy and fun-filled weekend that brings together friends, both old and new. Attendees gather to sample some of Wales's most beloved ciders, making it the go-to event of the autumn season, an outing where memories are made and dreams are realised. And it's a fond farewell from us here in the land of goblins, witches and dragons, but we'll be sticking around. As the farm continues to expand, we are excited to share the thrilling projects are on the horizon. Stay tuned for updates and be sure to follow us on social media for all of our latest news. Ta-ra!